welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you what I got in my Modelones kit and how I used it to put on some polygel nails. This is my first time. I am not an expert, so don't come for me. But I am going to open this box and show you what's inside. Once I get the box open, this is what I am greeted with. So clearly it's the UV gel lamp, and there's some flyers in the background. I opened it just to make sure the adapter came inside, and it did. And it's your traditional wall plug, and then the colors are right on the bottom. And then these are the flyers that were in the back. One of them is for a free gift, and to apply for that, you need Facebook. Unfortunately, I don't have Facebook, so I'm just going to chuck that to the side. Next is the 70% off your next purchase. You have 7 days to use that, and then it came with the instructions for the Polygel kit on how to prepare your nails and how to apply the nails. I'm going to put that right in front of me because I'm going to be needing that today. With the colors, we got light apricot, soft pink, we got light pink, we have the top coat, which you put on at the end, the base coat, which you use in the beginning, soft white, nude, and we have clear. Inside of the kit was also this bag, which has a bunch of necessities that you're going to need to do your polygel nails. The first thing I pulled out of this bag was the Cuticle Revitalizing Oil in this cute packaging. And then we got the tool that has the brush on one end and the spatula on the other. This is what you're going to use to get the polygel out of the tube and to scrape it onto the dual form. And then the other side with the brush is what you're going to use to dip inside of the slip form to help you move that polygel around and to get rid of any excess polygel that comes out of the nail. We also got the dual forms. These are a little bit straighter than the other ones, and these are the ones that are more curved. So you can choose whichever one you like. It also comes with the nail filer, and it comes with the nail buffer inside. We also have this eyeshadow brush, which is just used to dust off any of the extra nails left behind from filing your nails. We also have a nail art tool, which is going to be used to apply any rhinestones you have, or if you want to strategically apply butterflies or anything like that. You can see it once I get it out. There it is. It's just a tweezer with a curve at the end to help you apply. We also have some glitter that came inside of the kit and some rhinestones that are in circles, and some of them are in like the shape of a teardrop. Inside of the kit, we also got UV gel cleanser pads, which are just going to clean your nails of any oil or debris. We also got removal dedicated pads, which is just going to help you remove the gel after your nails are done. We got Polynail gel slip solution, a regular cuticle cutter, and just your normal nail clipper from your beauty salon. We also have a beautiful pink UV lamp that has 3 settings, 30, 60, and 90 seconds, and that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all of my nails down and make sure they're even on both sides. After that, I'm going to be filing them. Be careful, this nail filer is really strong and it hurt my cuticles just to file them down, and a couple were bleeding after, so be careful. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use that eyeshadow brush as I was showing you guys before, just to dust off the excess nails from filing, and then I'm going to buff them after. After buffing and filing my nails, I'm going to go ahead and put this base coat on. After you apply the base coat on all of your nails, you want to put them underneath the lamp for about 30 seconds to make sure that they cure. Your nails might be sticky, just don't put too much on it. You want to put a thin layer. After that, I got the dual forms that aren't too curved, and I am just trying to find the perfect fit. After I find the perfect fit, which I was incorrect about the way I should be applying them, but anyways, I am going to go ahead and get my tool and get my color. I'm going to do soft pink as the first one, just because pink is my favorite color. Also, each and every polygel tube came with a seal on it, which I thought was super sanitary, and I don't know, it just made me feel more comfortable about using it. So I'm just going to get about dime size, dip into my solution, and pat the polygel around. I am not a pro, girl. This took me forever to try and understand it because I didn't want it too thick and I didn't want it too thin. Now I am just going around the edges to make sure that there isn't any polygel outside of the nail, and I'm working underneath the nail to make sure that it isn't too thick. I put my nail under the lamp to cure 60 seconds on top and the bottom, and I'm trying to take it off, but I'm trying to be very gentle so that I don't break it. But girl, look, bam! Okay, period. Yes, I was so excited. I was snapping, girl. But it is very sturdy. It feels like an acrylic nail. Obviously, I could use some patchwork and some more experience, but I am very happy about this nail. I'm going to go ahead and clip the ends just to see if it'll crack down the middle. And that's my test to know whether I did it too thin or not, and it did not crack whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and file this nail and shape it the way that I like and move on to the rest of my nails. And now for my index finger, I'm gonna go ahead and mix the soft pink and the white color together because I'm gonna try and do an ombre effect. So I'm definitely gonna make sure that at the tip of this pink, I thin it out really well. So when I mix the white in, it'll give that gradual effect and not like a cut straight across. So I'm gonna take a little bit of white, a little bit less than I did with the soft pink because I don't want my nails, woo, girl. Let me tell you, I don't know why I filmed this way, but here we are. So I put the polygel in the dual form with the spatula. I make sure to try and get everything on there. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and dip the brush into the slip solution. You want to make sure that your brush is not too wet because if it's too wet, the liquid will stay on the surface of the poly nail, and when you put your nails to cure, you'll see white spots. But if it's too dry, the polygel will be sticky and it's a mess when you're trying to move it around. But I'm going to go ahead and continue and try and shape this the best way I can, and then I'm going to cure it and I'll show you when I'm done. After working on the bottom of my nail, I cured the top and the bottom for 60 seconds each, and I'm trying to take the dual form off without hurting myself. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but I'm always just scared. But look at that nail, queen. Look at it. It is giving me very much strawberry shortcake, you know, strawberry and cream vibes. But these are my nails at the end of my session. I am no pro, so they don't look like a pro did them, but they are public approved.